Hi everybody! How was my last tutorial about the consonants and vowels combinations in German language? Do write your reviews in the comments section. Now in this tutorial I will look mainly at the German numbers. A number in German is called Zahl and plural is Zahlen. But we have another word in German language for a number, and that is Nummer in singular and Nummer in plural. The word Nummer is used when you're asking about somebody's telephone number. But when we're generally talking about numbers, we use the word Zahlen. So let's move on. Let's first look at the 7 numbers here from 0 to 6 in German language. And yes, 0 is a number, even though we often exclude it in counting, but we will start with the number 0. So 0 in German is
Null,
null. Then we have 1, which is
eins,
eins. And then comes the number 2, which is
zwei,
zwei. Then we have number 3, which is
drei,
drei. And then we have a number which is number 4. And listen carefully, this sounds like an English word also.
vier,
Fear. And fear kind of sounds like the English word fear when you're afraid of something. Like you can see in this image, the woman is fearful of the spider or is afraid of the spider. So fear of German sounds like the English fear. Then we have 5, which is
fünf,
fünf. And number 6, which is
sechs,
sechs. So do note that before you cover this numbers tutorial, you should have a look at the series of my alphabets videos as well as the previous tutorial on vowels and consonants combinations so you can better understand the pronunciation of the numbers in German and of all other words that will come in later tutorials. So moving on. Then we have the numbers 7 to 12. Now 7 is
7,
7, and then we have 8, which is
8,
8, then 9, which is
9,
9, then we have 10, which is
10,
10, and now look at the number 11, which is not only written as an English word, but it also sounds like the English word elf. The difference is that the meanings of the German elf and the English elf are totally different meanings.
elf,
But pronunciation is the same as the English word elf. Then we have the number 12, which is
12,
12. So going further, now come 13 to 19 numbers. And the interesting thing about German numbers 13 to 19 is that we will just add the numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 with the number 10 to form 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. But do note that when 6 and 7 are combined with the number 10, then the S from 6 is removed and it becomes 16. And when 7 is combined with the number 10, then the EN of 7 is removed and 17 is 17. Now this is what we can call the irregularities in German numbers, but you may see that the removal of the S from sechs and of the EN from sieben will help in the pronunciation of the final number 16 and 17. So let's listen to the sounds of these numbers.
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17,
17,
18,
18,
19.
19. So that was all for today. Do stay updated for part 2 of this tutorial, which will cover the rest of the numbers. Thank you.